Not long ago we were lucky enough to go on a dream trip on this catamaran in the Seychelles. In this video, a tour of the Lagoon 42 catamaran that was ours for the week. I'll be showing you 360 degrees above decks, followed by a tour of all the cabins. Enjoy! Of course, I am uploading the full series of the trip to YouTube in many episodes. The link to all those are in the video's description. Of course, subscribe to see more. At the end of our sail around the Seychelles, when we were docked safely back at the marina, I filmed the whole inside of the catamaran to give you a good impression of it. Okay, so still have to do a boat tour. I haven't done it yet and now we're almost leaving. But here we are for a boat tour. And I'm starting in the forward cabin of the starboard hull. And I thought it would be tiny, but I've tried to lay out straight. I'm 6'6" and actually that's really fine. No problem at all. My feet are touching the bottom now, I'm lying down. It's okay. It fits. Storage here, storage there, a little light there, hatch there and there and there. Really not bad. And storage there. Yeah. So better than I thought, to be honest. But yeah, of course, for living, no. For sleeping, no problem. And then I'll make my way through here. Through the forward cabin, normal forward cabin. Wow. Okay. Not that easy, but here we are. Oh. Okay. Like a normal double bed. Quite a bit of storage here. Under the bed, on the side there. We have a hatch, fan. See, we have in this boat, which is amazing, and the hatch is the only way to get through there, yeah, or from the top, of course. And then go to the bathroom. Here, it's like this. So toilet, and of course this. There we go. Fine. Oops, that's not meant to happen. We'll keep that handy for later. And some storage. So, and a couple shelves. And more storage under the bed. There we go. AC doing his job. It was 32. Got down to 26 and a lot drier as well. And then the aft cabin, more spacious clearly. So some space there and here, not bad. Lockers. And the bathroom. And this one has a separate shower. Up. As you can see close. Alright. Light. So, electric panel. More electrics. out loud if you want. It's okay.
No, I don't.
Oh.
They sound the girls in the background.
Oh yes, yeah, exactly.
I'm sure everybody would love that.
Oh, we can fix that, no problem. As if it was never there.
Yeah. How's the hatch?
Yeah, it was okay actually. Bigger than I thought.
Really?
Yes. Just filming the galley as well. Ta-da, we got the nav table already.
Nav table?
Yes. The navigation station. And this one. Feel free to start that for freezer. And same again. Bathroom. Can always flush a bit more here. Right for button. And more storage. So. Not bad at all. Alright, in the forward cabin, skipper is just in there getting his stuff. So that's it. I like this pole as well. Doubles so nicely as a mirror. And that concludes the tour of our chartered Lagoon 42 catamaran. Remember, there's a whole series of episodes of our trip here, and still more are coming too. So subscribe and click the bell to see those coming soon.